Hi everyone. So I was thinking of also telling my experience at the tourist lodging at Tam Dil, and it was a great experience. Really comfortable. There wasn't anything that wasn't taken care of. Uh, there was always water in case there was any issues like with the electricity or anything like that. Also, it was immediately taken care of. The caretaker, Pu Rotea, was a great person to work with. Anything that we wanted with the food, with the stay, extra blankets, all those sorts of things, he would take care of it immediately. It's a real shame I found out that he lost his job, which I don't think is fair at all, given that it seemed to be just one customer that seemed to say it was a bad experience when I don't think any of the people who I know who've gone there have had very bad experiences about it. So I really just want to say that I hope this is not a rash decision and that they give him back his job and they do a proper judgment on it. And yeah.